Welcome to DS Core Plan. In this tutorial, you will learn about the latest updates and features to the design software InLab CAD and InLab Splint App. Let's start with the new Export to DS Core button, enabling seamless integration between your design station to your DS Core account. This feature, previously available in CREC, is now incorporated into the export phase of InLab CAD. It allows you to efficiently upload designs and streamline your process of fulfilling design-only orders from your customers. Your design file opens up directly in the viewer. Click on Assign to Patient and search in your patient list. From here, you can assign the file to the corresponding patient. From the Patient Media Library, you can quickly add the design to any existing order or send it to your prime print. To implement this workflow, you will need to update the connector separately, as it isn't included by default in the InLab CAD installer. You can download it from the DS Core Support Downloads section. Another great news is that the new InLab CAD is also backward compatible with various older InLab CAM versions, so you won't have to make adjustments on your firmware of your Dents by Sirona manufacturing devices. Seamless export to DS Core from InLab CAD requires a DS Core Lite account for labs. Now, let's talk about the InLab Splint App version 22.06. Wow, this is really a tongue twister, right? This update enables you to provide ready-to-print night guard designs to your prime print customers and enhances your collaboration with your partners and customers. Pretty neat, right? You can export designs with embedded print information for night guards and impression trays to be sent straight to prime print from DS Core. Just keep in mind, the Splint app doesn't offer seamless upload to DS Core. You'll need to save your designs locally first and then manually upload to your DS Core account. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan, and Make. Thank you for watching.